Hi, welcome to the technology presentation. This presentation will look at technology through the lens of experiential learning and teaching and learning. We have 3 assistant curriculum leaders working together to support technology at Western. If you have any questions after this presentation, please feel free to contact us. Western offers one of the most diverse course offerings in the Toronto District School Board. This is highlighted and celebrated through our Technological Studies department. Students have the ability to take courses like baking, TV, video, movie production, photography, and much more. Whether students are going to university, college, or pursuing the skilled trades, these courses offer an experiential experience that is engaging and fun. Students at Western have access to a variety of shops such as the wood shop, auto shop, machine shop, photography studio, recording studio, and much more. Western offers computer science courses that teach students how to code in Python, Java, and Arduino. Additionally, our FIRST robotics team gives students an extra opportunity to develop software for our robots. Finally, as leaders within the community, our students often volunteer time to work with our local elementary schools to engage students in coding through LEGO robotics. At Western, we have made access to cross-curricular technology for students and teachers a priority. Apart from numerous individual curriculum labs, our newly renovated library Learning Commons provides students access to 3 computer labs containing 53 desktops. These labs are available to classes during the school day, and students can access them before and after school. Furthermore, the library Learning Commons has an additional 6 desktop workstations and 12 Chromebooks for students to use while in the library. Additionally, we have enhanced student access to technology through adding mobile devices for classes to use. Teachers are able to access 2 laptop carts containing 20 laptops as well as 2 Chromebook carts containing 30 devices each. Through the Library Learning Commons, students are introduced to the digital learning tools available to them. Research skills are taught using the numerous databases and ebooks found in the TDSB virtual library. As well, we encourage the development of inquiry skills by offering students workshops on the digital learning tools available. And that's it. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and we hope to see you at Western in fall 2022.